Today we've had two Acura Legend stereos sent into the shop from the same owner. He asked us if we can take both to make one work, and of course two to make one is, there's always a better possibility with that with the older equipment. But the two he sent in are out of the Acura Legend Bose system. There are differences between the systems in the Acura Legend from about 91 to 94. You had the basic system, which is the 2200. The Alpine unit is here. This came in the LN Standard. And you had the 2100. There's a number on the display that you can recognize for each of these models. The 2100 had a different Alpine part number, but that came in the LS and GS. These stereos look very similar. They can both plug in. You'll have strange problems when you plug the wrong stereo into the wrong Bose system. But I wanted to show you the difference between these systems. We have the L and the Standard here. What we have here on this radio is basically the same as what we have on the other stereo. But this one also has a heat sink on the back that deals with a couple of output amplifiers, which means there's no Bose amplifier in the vehicle. However, on the bottom of this stereo, they have what's called a Bose equalization circuit. And what happens is the audio is all processed in the Alpine unit. It comes out through the Bose equalization to go to the output stages and drive 4 ohm speakers. In this case, this stereo is very easy to replace and go aftermarket because the only thing Bose in this system is this bottom equalization. Usually the speakers in the car are 4 ohm, and those can handle any aftermarket stereo. Now, some of the problems we've seen is if you take the upgraded model, which is for the LS and GS, this one on the back does not have the same amplifier. This one has a preamplifier level out to go to the Bose amplifier here, which sits behind the rear seat. There are 4 Bose amplifiers in this enclosure. So some of the problems we've seen when you have a working, it can go in and work. If you put the LSGS system into the standard system, you will have audio, but it will be very low. You'd have to go to full volume, put your ear to the speaker to be able to hear it. However, if you take the LN Standard model and put it into the upgraded Bose system, because there is an amplifier on this, we're already going to be pushing 25 to 35 watts into the Bose amplifier to come out 50 watts. So you'll find that turning the volume up, it will get loud very quickly, and you will not be able to go full volume without going into major distortion and causing other problems. We will be posting do-it-yourself repairs for both these stereos. They do have some similar problems dealing with display, but we will get into those as well. Please see our website. They will be added shortly. Hope this video helps explain the difference between the two radios when looking for replacement. Please subscribe. If you have comments, they're welcome. If you have questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching.